everybody, welcome back to Cab's Kitchen. Today we're going to teach you how to make the best fall off the bone barbecue ribs in your slow cooker. Oh my gosh, it's barbecue season, but sometimes I don't want to sit out in the heat all day waiting for my barbecue ribs to get done. Let me show you how to do a quick 10-minute prep, throw them in your slow cooker, and these are amazing. Stick with us, we'll have some fun. Remember to subscribe, and these are finger-licking delicious. So to make our sauce, first thing we're going to do is add about a cup of barbecue, a couple tablespoons of garlic, and a few tablespoons of brown sugar. We'll add a little Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of cayenne pepper to give it a little zing to it. Mix it up really good. We'll throw our ribs into the bottom of our pan and give those ribs a nice coating of this amazing sauce. Go ahead and add a second layer in. Put as many layers in the pan as you want, but go liberal on the sauce. That's the good stuff right there. Go ahead and turn your heat all the way up to high. In a slow cooker, typically that's 280 to 300 degrees. And these seal perfectly, so I'm gonna let it cook for about 4 hours. And after 4 hours, look, these ribs are fall off the bone good. Now, a little tip for you. Once you get them off, give a nice glaze of the sauce one more time. Just soak it on there, just lather it on. That stuff is so good. Now to crisp up the ribs a little bit, what I'll do now is take my oven, turn it all the way up to broil. Go ahead and put your ribs in your oven for about 5 minutes. When you see the sauce start to boil a little bit, you know they're gonna brown up a little bit. You're going to crisp up a little on the outside. They're delicious that way. Throw one more coat of sauce on the top and cut these up, and you have the most tender, delicious ribs you have ever eaten. Enjoy! Hopefully you learned something today at Cab's Kitchen, and thank you again to 360 Cookware for sponsoring our show today. Well, I want to get eating those ribs while they're hot. You got to try this in your home. When you try it, put your comments down below. I want to hear what you think. Also, next week, we're going to teach you how to make my favorite salmon recipe. It's a sweet red chili salmon that's to die for. It's a 10-minute meal. Hit subscribe. You can watch our channel, and make sure you hit the like and share button. We'll see you next time right here in Cab's Kitchen.